Do you ever wonder if your past loved ones can hear you when you're talking or thinking about them? Well, let's talk about that. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to this week's Sunday Inspiration presented by Spiritually Centered. And today I'm going to talk about something that is near and dear to all of our hearts. And it is our past loved ones. It's the people that we loved in our life so dearly and that we miss them, we grieve for them, we have fond memories. But a lot of the times when I am in appointments with clients sharing messages from their past loved one, the client will say, do they know that I love them? Or can you tell them that I love them? Can you tell them this? Can you tell them that? Do they know? And here's the thing is, rest assured, they know. Whenever you're talking about them, even if it's in your head, or it doesn't matter, it could be out loud, but every morning if you're sitting with a cup of coffee, sitting there having that conversation with that person you loved because that's what you did every day for 50 years, they know. They know. And here's the thing, love does not die. They love you just as much. So it is not a communication that gets cut off once someone passes, that they no longer exist. This is why being a medium is important for other people. It's not like where it serves me personally to be a medium. It helps me to serve others, to help bring closure, to help bring peace, and to help bring the truth that the soul never dies. It continues on this energy of love and movement and forward momentum. And every time you're thinking about them, they're there. And so it's like it's getting holiday time. And so if you have a Christmas tree and you're putting up an ornament in memory of them, they know it. If you're putting up their favorite ornaments, they know it. Or again, it could be, oh, my dad really complained all the time about Christmas decorating, so he's probably watching me, making it a big deal because he was always complaining, but we always knew that he liked it, right? He's there. They know these things. And how do they know? I don't have all of the answers. What I know and what I believe is that love exists, that there's this divinity, that there is this connection of the divine, what I refer to as God, spirit, that connects through every single soul. And that keeps us connected. And it restores hope, and it restores faith, and it brings peace for us to know that there is life on the other side, that we don't just die, that we stop existing. So as we are drawing closer and closer into the holiday season, know that your loved ones, if this is even their first time away from you, or if it's that they've been gone 30 years, they are still with you. So feel free to acknowledge them. Feel free to light a candle on their behalf. Feel free to tell them thank you for what they brought in your life. Feel free to take that moment to apologize for your grief, for whatever you feel like you didn't say before that needed to be said. They hear you and they love you. And then so till next time, namaste.